In this video, we will learn how to use top and bottom filter in pivot table. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data. First, select your full data. Right, press the Control plus A. Then click on the Insert tab. Click on the pivot table. Click on the From table. Then click on the New worksheet. Okay. Here you can see all head of the data. Okay. Now I'm select the first category, then product, than revenue in value. Okay, now here you can see the computer have a 7 products, and electronics have a 3 products, and storage have a 4 products. And if you have so many categories with the different products, so if you want to see only top 10, top 5, top 3 product of every category, then you how to see you. So let's see. Just select the any cell, right click of the mouse. Here you can see the filter option. In filter, click on the top 10 option. Here you select from bottom and you select from top. Okay, I just select the three top three product. Okay, just click on OK. That's it. Here you can see the top 3 product in computer, and top 3 product in electronics, and top 3 product in storage. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.